Good morning, all of you. I'm DN Children Academy. Welcome to class 4. Our today's topic we are gonna read pronouns. Right? You have read in your previous classes what is pronoun and what is noun. Right? Pronoun is a word that is used in place of nouns. Nouns you recognize easily, the name of a person, place, thing, and animal. So which we placed in use of a noun we called pronoun. Right? You have given here 8 kinds, but you do not read 2 kinds of 8. That is kinds we have to just recognize them. Okay. I tell you about here subject pronoun, object pronoun, which you easily know. Talk about our first personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is a form of subject pronoun and object pronoun. Personal pronoun replace nouns that refer to people or things. Like I, we, he, she, it, they, like this. Right? They are used instead of the names of people, animal, or things. Understand? So we call them personal pronouns. Personal pronouns, as you know, the subject object like first person, second person, third person. Right? First person you know, I and we, and first person refer to the speaker. Second person is you speaker, the audience being spoken to. The speaker's audience, a person being spoken to. Third person is he, she, it, they. The person is spoken about. Okay. First we read pronouns chart. You have given here subjective pronoun, objective pronoun, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. In your topic, you have given demonstrative pronoun also. But in chart, we do not include. So, let's talk about subject first person. First person singular subject is I. And object of its me. Object pronoun is me. Possessive my. Possessive pronoun mine. So first person आप ये बोल सकते हो I, me, my, mine. But you have to recognize subject, object, possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Second person singular is you. Right? You object is same you. Possessive adjective is your. And possessive pronoun is yours. Third person male is he in a subject, and object is him, he, him. Possessive adjective is his, and possessive pronoun also his. Third person singular female, she. Objective pronoun her, possessive adjective her, and possessive pronoun hers. Third person singular thing is it. It object it, possessive adjective is its. Right? Talk about first person plural. We. We दो वर्ड से बनता है I और you. I और you जो दो सब्जेक्ट होते हैं उनसे we बनता है. So we's objective pronoun is us. Possessive adjective are. Possessive pronoun is ours. So we, us, are, ours. Right? Second person plural is you. Plural be you, singular be you. According to its auxiliaries rule. Right? We consider. You. Possessive adjective your. Possessive pronoun is yours. Third person plural is they. They can be male, female or thing. Adjective is them. possessive adjective their, possessive pronoun is theirs. So this chart you have to learn, because where you have to apply it, you have to know. Talk about our personal pronoun, which are subjective and objective. Subjective pronoun is that are subject of a sentence. They usually come at begin of sentence. Like I write here example, my name is Tarun, I am 8 years old. मैंने अपना नेम तरुण बताया तो मेरे लिए मैं क्या प्रोनाउन यूज करूँगी? I, according to subject. Understand? I said object pronoun. Object pronouns that receive the action of the subject. Receive action of the subject. And they usually come after the verb in a sentence. After the verb. I here given you example below. I don't agree with him. As you know, objective pronoun of he, I use here him. So it is objective. Understand? So personal pronoun, I think you know very well. Personal pronoun, the word I, we, you, he, she, it, they are called personal pronouns. It can be objective and subjective. Understand? I tell you about examples. I said Kavita is a nice girl. Dash can dance and sing very well. Kavita is a nice girl. Dash can sing and dance very well. So for Kavita you will use here pronouns she. Right? If I say there once lived a king. There once lived a king. Dash was very cruel. For king, which pronoun you will use here? He. Right. Understand? I give you here example. You have to recognize which type of subject, which type of person, and singular or plural. Right? I said, do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Subject, who in the subject? In a sentence, who is the subject? You. So you is here second person singular या first person singular. You have to also recognize here. Do not talk about plural. So here मैंने आपसे पूछा तो आप एक ही पर्सन हो, तो सब्जेक्ट हुए आप यानी यू, और यू हमारा कौन सा पर्सन है, सेकंड या फर्स्ट? सेकंड पर्सन, और ये क्या बात है? सिंगुलर. अंडरस्टैंड? तो ये भी आपको रिकॉग्नाइज करनी है. आई विल गिव यू टुडे पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस and of subject and object recognize exercise you have to do. First I tell you what is possessive pronoun and demonstrative, which is in your topic, so little we have to know about. Possessive pronouns word that are used to talk about ownership, जो खुद की ऑनरशिप के बारे में, अधिकार के बारे में बताते हैं, वो पजेसिव प्रोनाउन है. आई सेड दिस कंप्यूटर इज़ माइन. ये कंप्यूटर मेरा है. दैट कंप्यूटर इज़ योर्स. वो कंप्यूटर तुम्हारा है. अंडरस्टैंड? दीज वर्ड्स कॉल्ड पजेसिव. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड विच पॉइंट टू एट ऑब्जेक्ट और पीपल. ऑब्जेक्ट और पीपल को इंडिकेट करना, लाइक दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज, दे कॉल्ड डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव. So I think pronoun topic is your done. Right? Now I'll give you exercise. With the help of exercise you will easily recognize it. Okay? Have a nice day.